Hi class. I just wanted to quickly show you how what I'm looking for in terms of saving chapter 9 exercises. I wanted to get 4 JPEGs from you, and then I wanted those 4 JPEGs turned into a PDF, each page containing one of those JPEGs. If you have a problem with the PDF, just turn in the 4 JPEGs. And what I mean by 4 JPEGs, I want you to turn in step 1 as a JPEG, step 2 as an individual JPEG, step 3, and step 4. So how we might do that is simply turn off step 2, 3, and 4, and we want to save just step 1. So we'll go File, Save As. I'm just going to save it to my desktop for right now. I'm going to call this, my last name, underscore chapter 9. And we'll call it 1. And I'm going to change this to a JPEG. You're going to get a little warning here, but that's okay. And I'm going to hit save. And it probably will default to maximum, but we don't need maximum quality because this is just an exercise. So I'm just going to take it down to quality 9. So it's compressing the image to make it a smaller file size. So it's getting rid of some of the information. But like I said, we don't need maximum quality, which is just fine. So I'm going to hit OK. Then I'm going to go and do the same for step 2. So I just turn the eyeball on for step 2, hit File, Save As, same idea, last name, underscore chapter 9, and I'm going to call this 2, save it to my desktop, and I want to save it as a JPEG. And I'm going to hit save, and it'll default to that 8 again, and I'm going to hit OK. So now I would continue that with steps 3, save step 3, and then save step 4. And then you could turn in those as individual JPEGs. But what I'd like to see is for you to make a PDF of that. So you want to open up your Adobe Acrobat. I believe it's, what are we looking at here? Yeah, just your Adobe Acrobat. And I'm going to go to Tools, and I want to create a PDF. So I have multiple files, and you'll ultimately have 4. And we want to combine the files together. So I'll hit Next, Add Files. And I'm going to just look for my images, which I saved to my desktop. And obviously, you will have 2 more. So you'll have 4 total. And it should automatically just put them on each image on one page. So I'm going to hit Combine. And as you can see, I've got page 1, page 2, and you'll have page 3 and 4. So it automatically did that for me. And then I'm going to go File, Save As, and then I'm going to just save it to my desktop. And it's going to be last name underscore chapter 9 EX, and I'll hit save. And then you'll turn in that file. All right, that's it. Hope you had fun with this exercise.